I'm Gayatri Dwarakanath. I'm a software professional and I've been living in Navalur for last 5-6 years. So we have a child with special needs. So we basically wanted to go with a lift for her because she was facing issues while climbing the stairs, and also like for our old parents. While constructing the house, I mean, we missed out, purchasing a lift, and later we realized the need of a elevator in the house. So that's when we contacted Elite Lifts, and the experience has been really good. It was while searching in Google. We did contact a couple of more people, but it didn't work out. And that's when, we saw in Google about Elite elevators, and we contacted them. And within 3 months, it was installed. It has been fantastic. From the beginning, it has been good. They came, took the measurements and gave the dates, clear dates, and as per the agreed dates, it was installed. Even the installation took just 2 days, and it was, the job done was very neat. Yeah, they have been very proactive. I didn't reach out to them, rather they called us and informed about the due service, and it was done as per the schedule and on time. It has been extremely useful, as I said, especially for my child. And I also had a, hairline fracture last month, and because of which I couldn't, climb the stairs. And it has been really useful for me as well. So definitely, if you have old parents at home, or somebody with any physical issues, I think this elevator would definitely help. We didn't face any challenges till now. Even if there is a power cut, you can safely reach either downstairs or upstairs, and you can use the remote from both the places. You have 2 remotes, so that also is a good option, and it's safe. It's very safe. Even a child can use it without any senior person supervision. It can be used. It's very user friendly. As I already said, in case you don't have a lift inside your villa, and later you plan for a elevator, I think this is the best option, because there is no construction changes that you need to do. It's any kind of staircase, it can be easily installed. You don't have a lift inside a villa or an apartment, and later you feel a need for a stair lift. I think this is the best option, and can be easily done for any kind of staircase. It's fantastic, definitely fantastic, and I would recommend if anybody asks me, because it has been very useful for us, at least in the last 1 year.